What's going on, guys? Average Tech Guy here. Today we are back with another review. Now, in my previous review of the Galaxy Buds Plus, I started my review out with the iPhone and went through, downloaded the app, and nothing worked. So, one of my viewers reached out to me this morning and was like, "Hey, dummy, you gotta put it in your settings first." So, I take each comment with a grain of salt. I understand that people can be people and I understand people, and I'm going to leave it at that. So, and I'm not afraid to admit when I messed up. This is a brand new product, and I'm just thinking you download the app, you connect it, and you're good. So first thing you have to do before you actually go into the app is go into your settings, and in your Bluetooth, you're going to just open these up, sit it by the phone, and you're going to wait for it to populate. So we'll just wait a minute for it to read it, and there we go. Galaxy Buds Plus. You just hit that. It's gonna actually connect. Now, once you're connected, you can listen to music at this point. So I'm gonna pop one in my ear, and I'm gonna get some music, and the music is playing in my ear. So I'm gonna turn it all the way up. Oh, the music is actually playing, and it stopped when I took them out of my ear. So got them out of my ear, music stopped. Now I'm gonna put it back in my ear, just so we can get some sound going. And I want to put it up to the mic so you can hear it. Okay, so it did cut off really quick, but you could hear the music coming through it. So we do have sound with the Galaxy Buds Plus on the iPhone. Next thing I want to do is you want to actually go in so you can change those settings and things of that nature. So that's when you go into the Galaxy Buds Plus app. You're going to hit OK, start your journey. You're going to allow, you're going to pick your device, you're going to keep this case open, you're going to connect, and once it finishes connecting, it gives you a little instruction, and you're all set. So now you can go through and change all your settings and your toggles and things of that nature. Now these are the same settings that came over from my Galaxy Note 10 Plus. So just to reiterate, you can't have this app open. You have to have this app completely closed, and I would even set this stuff up before you download the app. Connect this first, download the app, and then go through all those steps, and then you'll be able to use your Galaxy Buds Plus with your iPhone. Now, some people may be saying, why would I use my Galaxy Buds Plus with my iPhone versus using my AirPods Pro? So I'm going to do a comparison in between those and just let you know what are the differences and what's going to be the best one for you. Now, basically this boils down to how much money you're willing to spend and what the size of your ear is. So, but with the iPhone and the Galaxy Buds Plus, I want to just put this back in my ear one more time, just so I can do a quick sound check, just to see how this is going to sound. So, music. So now what I want to actually do is go in. Music sounds really good. The bass sounds good. Treble sounds good. Everything is good to go with the music. I want to make a call to Apple. Okay, so in listening to just the little Apple sound, the greeting that they give you, it sounds really good in my ear. It blocks out the noise. Now this is not active noise cancellation, which a lot of people get hung up on specs. Active noise cancellation versus noise isolation. These things, once you put them in your ear, you kind of block out the noise from around you, just to give you a heads up. So it's not active noise cancellation, but it does cancel the noise out around you. So when you put these in your ear, they stop your ear up. You can't hear what's going on around you. That's it. Sounds really good for a call. I'm not in a crowded area, of course. I'm in my room, but right now it sounds really good. There are no issues with the call quality. So would these be a good fit for the Apple universe? Apparently yes, because Apple agreed to put an app on here, and they have to actually say yes to these apps that come through. So Apple agreed to that. They work fine. They're Bluetooth. They sound really good. What more can you ask for? And they're only $150 versus the price over here, which we'll talk about in the full review or the comparison. But for now, this has been Galaxy Buds Plus on the iPhone. And it gets my seal of approval. Big thumbs up. Sounds good. Call quality is good. Music quality is good. What more can you ask for? So you know where you can get these. I'm going to drop a link below so you can check this out for yourself. Until next time, be sure and give me that thumbs up and please subscribe. Average Tech Guy out. Peace.